Everyone, uh, it's now a new craze of Chat GPT era. Like everybody is willing to and interested to use AI. And the Chat GPT4 released recently, and many of us are looking for option to use it. But Chat GPT4 is not free. Those who are subscriber monthly $10, I think, yes. Then only you can use ChatGPT 3, 3.5 or ChatGPT 4. Now today I'm going to show you two ways where when you can use ChatGPT 4. Number one is this one, poe.com, poe.com. If you go to this one and open an account, you see the options on the left side. Say GPT-4, Cloud Plus, Cloud, ChatGPT, Dragonfly. These are all AI. You can use them any way you want. So I'm not going to show you how it works because it's the same. If you have already used ChatGPT, then you know how to use them. Like you can select each of them. Like when I'm clicking them, see, uh, every one of them is showing on the top. Like this is now GPT-4, and there is a drawback. This one, like GPT-4 and Claude 4 or Claude Plus, these two you have only limited access. That means only one day you can ask one question to GPT-4, not more than that. But Sage or Chat GPT or Dragonfly, you can use as many time as you want. But all of them has some limitation if you are using it for free. Now, the second option, which is Bing. Okay, so if you are a Bing user, you already know that Microsoft Bing has evolved into a new version, and you can see this is my account, and you can see on the top Microsoft Bing Student Chat over here. So if you click, see, this is the option you will see. Give me a sec. So after this page is loaded, you can see this one. The first time you will go to chat option, you will see this creative, balance and precise. So you can select any option, like, and now I'm in the middle of creative and precise. You can choose precise answers or creative one. Now you can use this option, and this is chat GPT-4 actually. So new topic, you can type whatever question you have. This also has limitation, like 15 question you can ask when you are using it a day, but every day you have to renew it. You can like next day you can come with another 15 question. So if you are using Microsoft Bing, you are already have the access to GPT-4, which is totally free. And first one, as I said, o.com, over here you have actually all the AI, and they also have GPT-4, which is like limited access. Only you can use one time a day. And Claude Plus also limited access, but others are like you can use the way as you can, like you can check out on yourself. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If you have liked this one, and if it is helpful for you, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Ciao.